Here, I'm going to guide you on proper maintenance of car tires. Keeping your tires in good condition is an essential aspect of car maintenance. Good maintained tires provide good vehicle stability, better ride comfort, and better fuel efficiency. There are many factors that cause tire burst and damages. Driving fast on bad roads with potholes and unpaved roads. Not maintaining the recommended tire pressure. Overloading your vehicle. T-Shield recommends you the following. Drive slowly on bad roads. Take care especially when driving at night and when it's raining. Maintain the recommended tire pressure. Also ensure regular wheel alignment and tire rotation to keep your car tires healthy. Avoid overloading your vehicle. Do not neglect to replace your tires as per Toyota Service Center recommendations. Keep your tires safe and be safe. I'm here to free you from unwanted service tensions and save additional costs. I am T-Shield.